If your newer GMC Acadia won't crank despite a healthy battery, the ZZP or zero zone point connection might be your culprit. Nearly 80% of no-start issues in these models relate back to corroded or loose chassis ground connections. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to isolate that connection. Always start by ensuring your battery is solid and the terminals are clean before diving into the wiring harness. These 3 points are the most common failure locations for electrical continuity on the Acadia platform. Watch for these specific signs that indicate a poor ground connection is choking your engine's starting system. Most ground issues are simple DIY fixes, but internal starter or ECU failures are best left to the professionals. Cleaning a ground point costs almost nothing, while replacing a starter motor can quickly climb into the hundreds. If the visual check doesn't reveal the problem, use your multimeter to perform a voltage drop test on the ground circuit. A simple wire brush and some dielectric grease are essential to ensure your new connections stay corrosion-free. Never underestimate the power of a clean ground connection to solve your vehicle's most frustrating electrical gremlins. If you found this guide helpful for your Acadia, hit subscribe for more troubleshooting tips to keep your car on the road.